This video is to help any student who took a class through Fort Scott Community College while attending Frontenac High School as a dual credit class and they need their courses to be transferred. First thing you'll do is go to the FSCC homepage, which is fortscott.edu. Then hover over Activities, down to Request Transcript. And there are several different things that you can do here. So you can do either a physical transcript, so if you're going to pick it up or you want a physical transcript mailed to you, or electronically. They can send it to your next college. These are official transcripts. They, in order to be mailed, are $5, faxed is $5, or if you did the online orders, there is that amount as well. So make sure that you pay attention to your fees for any official transcripts. If you're needing an unofficial transcript, it tells you right here what you need to do as far as logging into your Gizmo account, and then you can click on your unofficial transcript. Most colleges will require that you provide them with an official transcript for those courses to transfer in. So online, it goes through information as far as what Parchment offers. Parchment is an outside agency that holds and houses the transcripts, so you can go from there. How to do it is set up there. You will have to have your enrollment status, date of birth, student number, all of that information there. And then also there is a way that you can request your official transcripts by mail. You can click this and it will take you to a PDF that you can complete and either mail it there with your payment or drop it off in person and get it at that point in time. There is information here on other important information. No one else, including your parents, may pick up your transcript without your written permission and signed authorization. So really, this is something you need to do. So if you wanted to go ahead and request an electronic transcript, you could do so here. And this takes you, you can see this takes you to Parchment. If you don't already have an account through Parchment, you would register as a new learner account. You are the learner, and then you would go through, put all of this information in, you would sign up. It will take you through these next steps, and this is going to be what school you were at, where you want it to be, how you want it to be sent, when you want it to be sent, and then payment and confirmation. So you can walk through those steps to do that. Again, make sure you are familiar with the fees associated with each way to get your transcript.